Okay, EFH. I got two answers, EFH. How will you solve this? If you see the arrangement, A D A B D A B D, fine. C D F C D F. Is it like from A to C, C to after A? I have got C. You can see this one. Only observe the first letter, and then we'll reserve this one, and we'll go to G, and then I. So the first letter should be what? It should be E, right? That's why I have got only one option, but we'll verify others also. B, D, H, J. I got H, J here, and then B, D. So it should be F, right? So E, F, only one option, that is A. You are right, and the option is E, F, H. Okay, simple. We'll go to the next question. Just solve this one and tell me the answer. You can try solving the questions. So we have got EMX as the answer, and then EMX, EMX, EMX. Okay, fine. We'll see. C, D, I have got F and G. So what it should be? Let it be E, and I have got E in all the options. I cannot eliminate any one of them. Go to K, L, and then N, and then O. K, L, N, O. So what should be the next value? It should be E and M. So do I have an option? Yes, I have got, but whenever you have got such question, don't go for the answer, because the option D may be right in some cases. That's why if you have got option like none of the above, you need to be very careful, because there are so many possibilities of answer. That's why you need to verify the last one also. Z, Y, W, V. Z, Y, W, V. So it should be X, and it is X. Answer is A. Yes, all those who have given answer, it's correct. Okay, see the next question. RUK. RUK. Okay, one answer is RUK, and then next RUK. Fine. This one we'll see. How will identify NOPQ? NOPQ, NOPQ, and then next should be what? R. So I have got R, and if you look at the options, I got D as the correct answer. So this will give you speed whenever you try to solve question like this, but just to be on the safer side, we'll just go for this next one. A, E, I, O. A, E, I, O, and then see they all are ovals, right? So next U, and then B, C, E, G, B, C, E, G. What is the pattern here? B, C, E, G. Okay, second letter is ovals, that's correct. Third letter, observe carefully. I got B. Let me take B, C, E, G. See, I got 2, 3, 5, 7. What are they? Prime. Yes, they are prime numbers. It should be K, because after 7 we will get 11. That's why the option is D, and which is correct one. Fine. Okay. We'll see the in this series. This is the last question, and afterwards we'll go for coding and decoding. What is the answer? F E D. F E D. F E D. Okay. We'll see what is the relation between the first letter and second letter, first element and second element, A, B, C, and it is written in the reverse order, B, C, A. And then here you have got D, E, F, and here you should have F, E, D. If you want to verify, you can see this part also, G, H, I, and I, H, G. And that's why the answer is F, E, D, and I got option B as the correct answer. Fine. We'll go for coding and decoding next. You can see, just try to solve this question, and I'll explain the different kind of questions that can be asked in coding and decoding. Just try to see this part and try to tell me the answer. Most of the time these questions are like intuitive, means whatever you feel they will be correct, but you have to be you should have a very good approach when you are solving it. Okay, still you are solving the question. Okay, this is, you will be given a word, and this word will be coded in this way, and then you need to find what is the coded word of this one. Okay, these are basically to check your logical reasoning. Okay, you can observe this. For B they have given T, for E they have given A. You can actually verify by looking at this N. I have got N here, again I have got N here, so N, N. Here actually there is a letter which is repeated, E and E. It means N means it is E, and then S means it is F, right? So these are the first word and these are from the second word. Just you can observe that and try to write the answer, This is just a hint and you can tell me the answer. BTEAE. Okay, we will see. B means I have got T. Here the word is LINEEN, right? For L, what is the corresponding value? 1, 2, 3, L, 1, 2, 3. So L means B. Then second one, I. Here I have got I from the last 1, 2, 3, 4th. From the last 1, 2, 3, 4. It is what? T. This one. So it is T. I have got two options. This is eliminated. And then next N. N is nothing but E. So this is also eliminated. We are left with two options. I got E. For E I have A, and then for N I have got again E. Okay. So option A is correct answer. Fine. Questions can be like this also. This is called coding and decoding. You can observe we'll be having a word and that will be coded in one format. And you need to identify what is that format and code this word according to that one. Fine. You will see the next question. Just check this one. Just see what is the answer. Anybody getting the answer? I'll give you a hint. Reverse order. Okay, this is a hint and try to solve the question. It is something you have got some letters in the reverse order. So DEEPS. Others DEEPS. Yes, DEEPS. We'll see. You can observe this P is written at the end and then this O. This is basically written in the reverse order. Okay. You need to be very quick to identify how they have coded. Though it will require bit practice, but you should be very quick in this one. And if you look at this answer, just reverse this D E E P S, and I have got option A as the correct one. All right, simple. We'll go to the next one. Try to solve this question. I understand these questions are a bit vague, means identifying the pattern or the relation between the given two words initially will be a bit difficult, but by practice it will be faster. So these kind of questions require some practice because cases are so many. I'll give you a hint. There is a relation between corresponding letters. Try to identify that one. Corresponding letters means G and F, R and Q, E and D, again E and D. You see, E is written as D D. From there you should be able to understand. So answer is D E E P. Okay, Monisha has given the answer. We'll see. G minus 1. What is this? We'll get the letters. We'll get this part. G minus 1 means we'll be dealing with this one, F. So they have given F, and then R minus 1. R minus 1 is what? Q. They are given Q. So it is basically minus 1 relation between each of the words, each of the letters. And T minus 1 is yes, right? In the same way, you need to solve this one. You can see D, they observe this part. They are saying CDDO stands for, means you need to write the reverse of this one. It is minus 1. You need to find the plus 1 of this one. Okay. It is like this word is related to this, and then they have given this part, and you need to find this part. For that you will do plus 1 and try to find, and the answer for C plus 1 is D. I got only one option, that is option B, right? Then next question. Anybody answer? Okay, you take this part. Okay, there is a hint in this one. Okay, I'll give you a hint. In place of P, they have written two letters in the coded word. In place of P, they have written two letters. Option A. Okay. Then any other answers? Okay, fine. We'll solve this one. You see, I got P A T. In place of P, they are writing Q and R, right? And then in place of A, they are writing B C. A, B, and C. So it is clearly two letters after the given letter. Then so T, U, V. That's why you need to find a similar word for this. Whenever you are finding such words, you just find the dissimilarity between all these things. There is a dissimilar here. So R, yes, T. So this is eliminated. And then here we have got this one dissimilar. You need to check C, D, and E. We want D and E. So this is eliminated. And in this both, this last one is different. So E, F, and G. So option A is correct. This is eliminated. So option A was correct. Okay. Okay, good. Now the next question. This is much more similar to the previous question. Just see what can be the answer. For this question, the answer can be it is much similar to the previous question. That is the hint. Okay. Leaf feel, we'll see. Just observe this. I got E, G. There is a word missing here. What is that? F. H, J. A word missing. I. K, M. L is missing. K, M. L is missing again. So these missing letters are written here in the coding part. You need to do the same. So in this E, G, what is missing? F is missing. I got only one option, and it is B. They are simple, though it takes some time, but you will require some practice. Fine. And that was a simple question. Okay. You see, we'll go for the next type of questions. Numbering, numerical coding. Okay. We'll try to solve this question and you will understand what kind of questions these are. This is almost similar to the previous questions that we have solved. Only in place of letters we have got numbers. Just try to find the answer of this question. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll see. Yes, you can see in place of T they have written 2. So it is not related to this one. And then R they have written 3. A they have written 4. I 5. N 6. So here they have given rain in place of train. So the answer will be this part. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5. Okay. And this is the last question. It is also similar. Try to tell me the answer. Option C 5632. Yes. We'll see 5632. Yes is coded as, see, whenever you have got numbers in sequence, you need not try to struggle a lot because mostly it is directly coded. Yes is written as 1, E is written as 2, L is written as 3, something like this. So in this we have got M. M is what? 5. So this M is 5. And we have got O. What is O equal to? 6. 5 and 6, only one option, that is 6. Fine. These were the today's questions. And I hope you are practicing these questions. Whenever you are free, you can go for practicing such questions. And this will improve your speed drastically. Okay. I hope all the questions were clear to you. And today we'll end the class and tomorrow again we'll meet at 5:30. Okay. Thank you.